Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove phone number from Roblox account on PC. What you need to do, first just go to roblox.com and log in your account and then click in the setting icon on the top right and then settings. And you see here phone number. Click on the pencil icon and then just click remove phone number. Now you need to verify account password. After that, click remove. This is what you need to do if you want to remove phone number from Roblox account on PC. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.